This is the Airbnb the family's staying in. We stayed in last night, which was Christmas Eve. We just woke up this morning. It's Christmas Day. We should have done the stockings last night, but this morning we got up and started filling the stockings. And the little kids now are working on their gingerbread cookies, decorating cookies. And then we're going to start fixing breakfast soon. I understand.
He got so dressed up for 2 quarters, I can't believe it.
She borrowed their kitchen.
Yes.
And he says, I love this place.
So this is my Christmas stocking that I was just given, and I'm going to show you guys the content. So this is the contents of my stocking. I'm just opening up right now. And I got me some original kettle popcorn, some Hershey's candy, some caramel corn, and some chocolates. Probably get into these later. So this is our model of Utopia of the Seas. Keith is home on vacation from the Utopia, and it's brought us this ship home, and we're enjoying it, just taking a good look at it. We're going to add it to the collection. Currently we have 5 ships that we have in our collection, so this is going to be number 6. Here is my cup that Keith brought me home for Christmas. I love it. I'm going to enjoy using this cup. I'm going to make sure I wash it carefully so it stays nice. And we're playing with the drone. We're playing with the drone. Fun.
So much fun.
So much fun. We're uptown Charlotte right now. This is right near where the Airbnb is. We just took a walk out so you can see the Charlotte city skyline. Hey guys, I'm uptown Charlotte. Right in the middle of traffic right there, as you can see behind me. We just came out for a walk because we done stuffed ourselves and ate entirely too much, and now we're just out here walking. Anyway, I've been enjoying my family. I got a lot of nice gifts for Christmas. And I've just been eating everything in sight. But it's been a lot of fun. We're going to be staying tonight, another night in an Airbnb. And we'll probably be up playing games again tonight. Family out here walking. We got the drone here coming in. Drone coming in. Now we got 2 drones going.
So like when I'm walking, I can walk across. And you don't have the whole thing.
And here is Teeny with her drone. Here is Teeny with her drone. family fun on Christmas Day.
Also, there's a circle. Yeah, it starts.
You just set it to rocket and it'll go straight up. But you're not gonna really get. You're not gonna get footage of your. Yes, you get footage of yourself too. But I don't know how you would get it going straight up and get it straight out. I haven't tried to play with the settings.
Definitely give me one of those.
You going in?
I want to know, like, I I'm also curious, this is the microphone's DJI. I want to know if it will be
Same
compatible.
thing. Yep.
Yeah, because it's
Yep.
still on my camera.
And that cancels out the sound of the drone.
Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect.
And then you can fly it with your phone.
Okay, so it will play with the microphone.
Oh.
So the family, we getting ready to sit down and play bingo. We just opened a brand new bingo game. So we haven't even gotten the balls out yet. And here's Teeny. Teeny's gonna be playing. And so anyway, it's a brand new game. This has never been played before. We're gonna be taking the balls out now to put inside the cage. I've already dumped out the chips. and put them in this bag. And now we're getting ready to unsnap this. I guess this is where you call the balls and you put them on here. But anyway, the family's getting ready to start playing bingo. We'll let you know how that goes.
Ma, you only playing with, what are you, an amateur?
So I'm gonna be calling the bingo.
You see B?
I see B and I see 14.
You see B? And you see 14?
Look down. Does he realize he has to look down? Under the letter?
Yeah, do you realize that? So like B14. So you have B14. Or like if they said like G58.
All right, everyone. The next number is B13. B13.
You see B13?
You see B13. Let me ask you that.
So this is the Airbnb. It's the last day. We're packing up to leave. Just to let you know a little bit about how it looks. Oh, some steep steps. To the left here is a little screened in patio. I'm not even gonna go out there. It's cold. Screened in patio. And this room here, the little kid slept in. It has 2 big beds in it. The little great nieces and nephews slept in here. This is the 2nd floor, by the way. And I'm not gonna go in anybody's rooms here. The doors are closed, but there's 2 bedrooms up here and 2 bathrooms up here. And this is downstairs in the common area. We were all seated. We had the tree up, which we've already taken down. We've taken out most of the decorations because we are about to leave. This is the kitchen. We're packing up everything now to go. This is what was left from all the food that we had for the last 2 days. Everybody brought stuff, so everybody's got to take all their containers and things home, pots and stuff. Everybody's got to take their stuff home. Back here is 1 bathroom here. The bedroom in the corner has a bathroom, and there's 2 more bedrooms on this side. I've already pulled the sheets because they want us to pull the sheets and leave them on the floor when we leave. They have not pulled their sheets yet. But anyway, this is the living quarters back here. It had a connecting bedroom, so if you had like a little kid or something on the other side, there was a small bed over there. All right, now that we have left the place clean, we have cleaned up, left it clean, and we are out the door. Kitchen and everything is cleaned up. Just like we found it.